They're talking about $3,000 down. $830 a month.
Hold up.
What's up, y'all? It's your girl Angel. Welcome back to my channel, Imperfect Angel, where we on Christianity, period. And welcome to a day in the life of a 28-year-old first-time mom who's stuck in the house for her 6 weeks. So, by just that being the title, you can tell that there's probably not going to be much going on. But, y'all, I've just been so consistent lately. Like, I have to keep putting it out or else I'll begin to procrastinate. Y'all won't see me for another 3-4 months, okay? So I want to try to just film the little things that I do get accomplished today. I'm in my PJs, gonna stay in my PJs. Today's Saturday, the 4th, November 4th. Like, that's crazy. Y'all, my son is about to be a month old in 4 days. What? Like, what? This is crazy. Yeah, I commend like I commend breastfeeding moms because, you know, joke, like having to just fit that in your schedule, especially, well, really why I'm struggling is because I haven't ordered any wireless, hands-free pumps, which I'm supposed to order my mom cozy ones, but I just haven't. I've been procrastinating. So, y'all, I haven't pumped at all today. And I feel like for one, I got discouraged because my milk supply just tanked out of nowhere. Like, I was getting like almost 5 ounces per pump or whatever. But something made my supply just like tank. I was getting like half an ounce. Like, I was like, oh my God, I was freaking out. So I wonder if I can crimp my hair. Y'all, I've definitely come to the conclusion that I do not like this hair. Like, everyone says it looks so pretty, it looks like my hair, but I don't like it. Yeah, I need to get my hair done. Oh my God, of course he's waking up as soon as I try to do something. I'm trying to at least do my hair since I'm gonna be in my PJs this whole vlog. I'm at least trying to like do a little something to my hair. Lately, I've kind of just been like, trying to get my life together, you know. Start to look at places, and you know, I gotta get me another car because my car's too small. Yeah, so those are my main things like that I've been just trying to do. Besides, of course, getting adjusted to this norm, which I'm actually like, I was just telling my group chat that I'm like nervous to like move out on my own with him because like his dad is very active, but his dad has a very demanding work schedule. So it's like I'll be there by myself with just him a lot of the time, whatever, when he's away at work. Even though I know like my mom and my granny, they still gonna be like over there, like, but it's just like the fact that when they do go home, like it's just us. It's just gonna be us. So yeah, it's kind of scary, but child, I'm ready to get about Sabrina's house. I'll tell you that. Okay. So yeah, let me try to do something to my hair, and then we're probably gonna go over to the computer. And I've just been kind of looking at Teslas because I'm kind of dead stuck on getting a Tesla. I really want one, even though I really don't feel like paying that car note that it's saying it's gonna come with. But it's like, I've never had like an SUV type of car. It's like I think they call it like a crossover SUV. It's not like a full size like a Tahoe or Suburban. I feel like it's the perfect size. I went and test drove one. I feel like it's the perfect size for me and my son. And his dad is 6'6". We have been in my car. Trey has been in my car one time. I remember it like it was yesterday. It was like Christmas. It was like around Christmas last year. We went to Waco and I made him try Starbucks. And yeah, his knees were like, in the glove compartment, okay? So yeah. So I feel like it will like accommodate all of us better than my little car. It's really focused on like making sure that it's enough room for me in there, because I mean, whenever me and Trey are together, we don't take my car ever anyways. So we always take his truck. So yeah. Yeah, I think pregnancy did my hair so wrong. You know how some people's hair flourish? My nails were flourishing. Like, my nails were growing so long. It reminded me of my Mimo. But my hair in the front, and it's not because like, cause I didn't even have a lot of leave outs and stuff like that. But my hair used to go like down here in the front. Like, it used to go way down here. I don't know what happened. I literally don't know what happened. It's just broke off so bad, and it's so sad. I've never been one to really, like, I'm not gonna cry about my hair. I don't care that much, honestly. Like, it'll grow back. So I'm gonna just do a little something to my head to make me feel a little better. And then I'll catch back up with y'all. I'll catch back up with y'all whenever we get to looking at these cars on the computer and yeah, whatever I decide to do next, okay? I'm a victim of the TikTok shop now because I did order the black organic Jamaican castor oil. Like they say, you put on your belly button, on your stomach, and it detoxes you. Yeah, did order it. Yeah, did get an email yesterday that said it's on the way. Okay, so we're gonna see if that helps me with my bloating and getting the remaining of all this belly fat gone. Because on November 30th, when I go to my 6 weeks checkup, I want to be 185 and nothing over it. Okay, so yeah. What was I finna say? I was gonna go take y'all to the computer so we can look at cars and stuff like that. Y'all can help me choose, but my mouse is dead right now, so I gotta let that charge for a little bit. So I'll just catch up with y'all in a little bit. You feel a lot better when you do something to yourself. So I'm trying to, that's one of my goals, for my upkeep and everything. Like, as soon as the 6 weeks is over, I'm gonna get my lashes done, my hair done, my nails done, my toes done. It's gonna be a self-care vlog, okay? For sure, 100%. 100%. So yeah, let me go check on my son. My mom is back, so she has him. Let me go check on my Tuki. My stinky butt. My dimples coming back. My face was so fat, like, what dimple? Like, what dimple? So, yeah. His daddy's supposed to be coming back over here. He was over here the other day. He's supposed to be coming back over here. Probably. What's today? I don't know the days. I was thinking today was Sunday. I don't know. I'll talk to y'all later, though. I'm gonna find me something to eat. Okay, y'all, so, yeah. Look at these cars, child. Malik made brownies. So, I'm eating a brownie. Portion control, just one. Because you gotta get the stomach down. And they're dark chocolate brownies, so dark chocolate isn't as bad as, regular milk chocolate, fudge, and all that kind of stuff. So, ignore my mom in the back. She's with me here and talking baby talk. But yeah, y'all, so I really, really want this car. Like, my ideal Tesla is white on white with black rims. And I see one. I'm not gonna go through like actual Tesla. I'm gonna find like a third party or second party car dealership, because I feel like it'll be easier for me to get approved, because Transparent, being transparent. My credit got messed up, okay? And that's the only thing I'm like really nervous about. Like, I'm like mid 600s, like early 600s, mid 600s. So, you know, I'm just nervous about that part, but I have someone actively working on it and helping me with it. So hopefully by the time I get this, like, I'm closer to the 700s where I really want to be. Okay? But I see a 2021 right here, baby. I don't know what website this is on. I'm just like randomly looking. But this one right here, this is exactly what I want. Oh, I'm on Carvana. I don't know if that's like who I want to go through. I'm just looking right now. But yes, like, oh my gosh. The black rims. Where's the interior? The white interior. Like, baby. Yeah, and this one is, how much is that one? 43,000. So yeah, I'm definitely not going over 50. I really don't want to go over 45, honestly. Keep my, you know, but we'll see. So that's what I'm doing right now. I literally don't have anything to do. This is crazy. I'm talking about $3,000 down. $830 a month. I started my content calendar again. I started my content calendar. Ooh, new subscriber, Bird. Hey girl, welcome to the family. But yeah, I use Notion and like I'm starting my content calendar, so your girl can really be on point and really be organized and stuff like that. So matter of fact, I need to do that since I ain't got nothing else to do. I'm gonna get started on that to see how I want to plan out everything. So yeah, I said I was hungry. I need something to eat. We're eating meatloaf tonight. Meatloaf and mashed potatoes, maybe some corn.
Talk to him, Blake.
So yeah.
Blake, you want him, man, he up. Talk to him. I'm trying to see what I did with his pants.
Brownies are
You guys
okay.
want to go look for his pants? Or you want me to take him?
I'm hungry. I want some chicken. I want some Popeyes or something. But that meatloaf's not gonna get cooked until later on tonight. I need something now. I wonder if Trey DoorDash me some food. I know I be getting on that man now.
Can y'all really feel me? Feel us. East Coast feel me. Feel us. West Coast feel me. Say what? Dirty South. Here we go. Can y'all really feel me? Baby girl. East Coast feel me. West Coast feel me. Can you feel us? Dirty South. Dirty, dirty. Can y'all really feel me? Feel it. East Coast feel me. Say what? West Coast feel me. Dirty South. Dirty, dirty, dirty. Can y'all really feel me? I got to pick it. East Coast feel me. West Coast feel me.
Boy, I've been watching you like the hawk in the sky. That fly when you were my prey. Boy, I promise you, if we keep bumping heads, I know that one of these days we gon' forget about the talk on the phone. But see, I don't know if that's good. I've been holding back this secret from you. I probably shouldn't tell it. If I let you know, you can't tell me I'm so
Finna change you, Stinky. Oh, I know. I know. Hey, I think.
Abby, I'm having some starter gel on.
No, styling gel.
Yeah, gel like her now.
No.
There's one stuff I seen on TikTok.
What's wrong?
This girl told me to get. They was out of it.
Uh-oh.
Not food, but at least spaghetti or something.
Okay. Your bottle almost finished. Your bottle almost finished. Yeah. Here. Boy, you raising your head up. Whew. You got one bottle. You trying to boo-boo. Here. Here. There. Where's the tops? Oh, you poo. Hey, Dinky. Hold on. Oh, you got boo-boo? You got boo-boo? I want you to have collar. Okay, come on. Okay. Yeah. Oh, yeah, I know it. You boo-booing. I know. You boo-booing. You try boo-boo. Get your hands scratching yourself. Where's his mittens at?
How long it take this nigga? What she gonna eat?
Get it out, Stinker. Get it out. Hey y'all, so let's put later. finally got the baby to sleep. Now I'm finna eat me. So I told y'all, I don't know if I told y'all, I might have been on the phone with Steven. I don't think I was talking. I was probably talking to Steven, but got some meatloaf with a little baked potato, with a little ketchup. It's the only time I really eat ketchup is on meatloaf. And maybe red curd. So yeah, this is probably gonna be last thing too for the night. For the day. This is what I want. I want some meatloaf. I haven't had meatloaf probably since high school, so. So yeah, just gonna chill, find a movie to watch. Yeah, this is what I do every day during my little 6 weeks. Can't leave. I know some people. I seen some people say like they don't believe in it and stuff like that, but I was raised like old school, semi old school like on some stuff. So yeah, I believe in the little 6 weeks thing. I don't want to do it, but I know that's what's best. So, cause who not gonna be back in the hospital hemorrhaging, and ain't nobody gonna be talking about me like y'all was talking about Krishan Rock when she was out of that hospital. Y'all said she was smelling like plasma and blood. I mean, won't get a chance to talk about me. Plus, it really, people don't take it serious, but your body is really still healing, and it takes time. I understand some people don't have the, you know, the I guess opportunity to do that. Like some people just, when you got responsibilities and you ain't got no help, you gotta go out and do whatever you gotta do or whatever. But since I'm blessed to have the help, I'm gonna take full advantage of it, okay? So yeah, for those of you who are like, we staying in the house for 6 weeks, yeah. As bad as I miss Target and Starbucks. Sure be glad when it's over with them. And I'm not even like an outside person, but when I tell y'all, I already told my friends, like, go ahead and plan us a girls' weekend. I haven't did nothing in 10, 11 months. All year. I was pregnant all year. Literally. Yeah, it's time for me to enjoy myself a little bit. So yeah. Ooh, it's kind of icy. Can y'all see the ice in it? Mm-hmm. I was gonna put some more of my little really tiny press-on nails back on, because I'm gonna bite my freaking fingernails to the love if I don't put something on them. So I'm gonna try to do that. Maybe in the next vlog I'll do that. But yeah, I'm just rambling at this point, not talking about nothing. So thank y'all so much for tuning in. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. And I'll see y'all. Oh my god, I need my hair done. I need a whole self-care day. Lashes, hair, nails, toes, eyebrows, everything. I think I said that earlier. So hopefully I get to do that once my 6 weeks is over too. This is good. Side. But yeah, see y'all in the next vlog.